twin sister. Hi, how are you? It's just a different hairdo. Don't be shocked. My daughter decided she'd, try something new. Do you like it? Leave me a comment. I don't know. I'm finding it a little different. I guess I'm not used to it. I don't know. I feel like Annie. Tomorrow, tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, you're only a day away. That was horrible.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip.
Before I start this video, I just honestly wanted to share with you these roses in my garden. They are absolutely beautiful. And this little bunch here has so many roses, and I just thought I have to share with my viewers. Do you love roses? Let me know in the comments below. Well, I'm ready for my tomato sauce. If you're interested, I do have a video that I made probably about a year and a bit ago, maybe 2 years, about how I make my tomato sauce. Super easy peasy. I don't like things complicated, and it was absolutely delicious. If you want, I will link it below if you want to see it. Super easy to do, guys. Really, you can do it whether you live in a house or an apartment. I got a trick for you. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Grace. In my channel, I do DIYs because I am an obsessed DIYer, but I like to do it on a budget. And because I am Mackenzie Childs obsessed, a lot of my DIYs are Mackenzie Childs Inspired or Alice in Wonderland inspired. So for now, let's get into this video. So many of my viewers have asked me to do some more lamps. These are some examples of the ones that I've done before, and this is what we're doing in this video. I purchased these lamps for $20, and I figure they have some nice detail. I figure I can really do something with them. This project's going to be a little bit different because I get a lot of viewers who are going to paint something for the first time, but they don't necessarily want to spend the hundreds of dollars, big brands of paint. I'm going to do this project just with regular house paint. I didn't even sand the lamp at all, and I picked this very light mint green. You'll notice that this lamp took quite a transformation. I painted certain colors and then I changed it again until I got it just right where I wanted it to be. So don't be afraid to paint something and then change it again. Play with it, have fun, and it'll end up exactly how you want it.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
This is where we are now. I've added a little bit of gold here and here. Make some changes on it because don't forget that when you do a project, you look at it and you think, okay, I like this, but I think I'm going to change that, this, and the other. And that's what we're going to do here. I'm looking at it. I like it. I'm not crazy about it, so I'm going to change it a little bit more. Don't be afraid if things don't go into plan. I'm a firm believer that things shouldn't go to plan when it comes to painting something, because you should let your creative juices flow and just change things as you go along, and that's what I do. I wanted to make this to kind of look old. Now I'm looking at it and I think I like it. I'm not crazy about it. So we're going to change that right now. Now I'm going to use the gold leaf, and it's the brassy gold. When you're working on a project, it doesn't look very nice. It's when things start to come together that you start to see the big picture. Don't get discouraged. Just keep going. Today I'm going to be using the Watco Crystal Clear Lacquer. I like this. It gives a really, really nice gloss. This is the Superior Scratch Protection. Even though it was kind of metal and you're painting it on a sleek surface, don't worry about it, because then you add this stuff and it's fine. I bought this at Home Depot, so if you're looking for it, that's where I got mine.
Say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down.
So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. It does something for the algorithm. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so by hitting the subscribe button below, hitting the bell to black so you can be notified when I upload. So for now, take care of each other, have an amazing week, and thank you so much.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two.